Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, and healthy. Welcome to our English session. We will do our literature, that is English from English Treasure textbook, that is chapter number 2, The Bird on the Shore. Okay, so here we are going to learn about a poem. Okay, this is not a story, this is a poem. So poem is written by Brain Moses. Okay, and who is Brain Moses? He was one of Britain's most popular children's poets. Okay, and he written a various type of topics such as monster, aliens, and etc. Okay, he is a popular poet, child poet. Okay, and one of the poem is the bird on the shore. Okay, so student, what do you know what is shore? shore. Okay, let me tell you, the land at the edge of the sea. Means the which land is at the edge, means कोना में जो होता है, से टच होता है, वो उसे बोलते हैं हम शोर. ओके, जैसे आप यू गो टू दांडी एंड सी यू आर स्टैंडिंग इन अ शोर, मीन्स वेयर द लैंड एजेस ऑफ द सी. ओके, और अ लेक, झील बोलते हैं जिसे. ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट विथ आवर poem. First, in this poem, we are going to learn about. We are going to learn about a bird, that is the bird we are going to learn about, that is gull. Okay, what is, you can see here a bird, it is a gull. Okay, it is a animal kingdom. Okay, you can see a yellow, a white colored bird. Okay, and a white or a gray bird that makes a loud sound, very loud sound, right? A seabird who makes a sound very loudly. Okay, and in next picture you can see this picture, this gull bird is eating a biscuit or a food. Okay, you find in our Gujarat, that is in Dwarka Puri, you have seen that in old Dwarika you go by boat and you can see that the bird is having the food with our hand. We up your our hand and we give him the food he takes from our hand. Okay, from his, okay, to eat, from his bag to eat. Okay, if once you will go in Dwarkapuri, you will see that. Let us start. So in this chapter, what we'll do, we will see a sea becoming very dirty. We will learn about a sea which is very dirty, and many birds and animals that live in and around it are affected with that dirty beach. Okay, and a gull is rescued by a kind father and his son. Okay, let us learn. A sticky skin of oil is floating on the sea, and any bird caught in it needs our help to break free. So in this poem, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn that a sticky skin of oil, means a very thick of layer of oil, is floating on the sea by the industries. Okay, maybe not maybe, it is surely by the industry which the oil is floating above the sea, and any bird can catch in it and need our help to break free. कोई भी उस पे गिर सकता, वो फंस सकता है. ओके, एनी वन कैन स्टक इन इट एंड इट मे बी आर नीड आर हेल्प टू गेट out of it. Okay, next is just like the gull. What I told you, what is gull? Okay, we found half dead among the sand. We wrapped him in a towel, but still he picked dad's hand. Okay, just a gull, that bird, is found in the that sea, half dead and half in the sand. He maybe stuck in the that oil sea, okay, and he's half dead and he's half alive, okay, is on the sand. And they who, the father and his son, okay, they wrap means they fold it in the towel, but still he picked dad's hand. Picked means the girl stuck the father hand with its beak. He beak मतलब वो चोंच जो होता है, okay, and he hold it. He is half dead, but he is a since have a sense to hold his dad's hand, okay. He might be defeating himself, okay. The next, it's not a job for us, dad said. He needs some expert care. I think I know a place. They will make him better there. Okay, they came with a towel with wrapping that girl. Okay, so dad told that this is not our job. It needs an expert to means a doctor, animal doctor to help him. Okay, and I think I know a place. Dad said I know the place where he can be cured, okay, and they will make him better. You can see a father holding a girl and a boy with a towel going to help him, right? Next, they scrubbed and cleaned our gull, then showed us several more which had been black with oil and half dead on the shore. Okay, that care would be taken by that expert, okay. And what happened, they clean the gull and showed several more gull. Why? Because they have already stuck in that oil and have half dead on the shore. No one have taken care of that, but this father and children find that cool and gave a care to him. Okay, and next is a sticky skin of oil is floating on the sea, and any bird caught in it needs one's help to be free. So after seeing that, they are again telling that the sticky oil is very dangerous. We should not do or pour the oil in the sea, or we should not dirty the sea, okay. So that any bird can trap in it, okay, cat caught in it and needs someone help to get free, right? So students, I hope you like this poem as well as read this poem once, okay. Thank you everyone.